Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I got a present from my brother-in-law for my birthday. It is this. It's a Logitech k600 keyboard for smart TV. Haven't opened it yet. I've had it for a week because I wanted to make a video. So this makes life a lot easier. I'm gonna try and connect it to my Vodafone TV box. You can use it for computers as well. It's a Bluetooth keyboard, and if you want to use it with a computer, you gotta. It comes with a USB Bluetooth port, plug for the computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see what it's like. Okay, so here it is. It was $99 from JB Hi-Fi. Let's open it up. There's the USB. Let's put the phone down and open it up some more. It's got the instructions. Okay. It's got safety, compliance, blah blah blah. So it's this way. Step 2 is to pull this out so the batteries can connect. Step 3 is to go to the website on the TV. So let's do that. Okay, this is on Puffin browser. k600 setup.logi.com. That's the website they gave me. Let's go there. Set up your keyboard for your system. Get started. Get started. Okay, I've ended up plugging in the USB because apparently you get more range on it and probably better working buttons. So I went back to this, and apparently you gotta choose which brand TV. So there's lots of smart TVs, but we want Android. So I'm gonna press. There's even OS. Oh, there's Android TV. Go here. So it says press function 6. 3 seconds. Continue. Your keyboard is now set up for Android TV. Yay! So let's see if this works now. If I press home. Yes, that's what it's meant to do. Go. Okay, let's play around with it and see what it can do. So the mouse pad makes it, the mouse cursor makes it a lot easier to scroll around. What I used to use was an application that changed my remote into a mouse, so I would have to double click the play button to give me the mouse, and it's not very handy. Press home button to get out of it, but using this it's a lot easier. I can use this as the OK button, as the left button, and if I'm using both hands I can use this up here, so left and right button. We've got the home, we've got the back. This is the apps button, the search. So if I press search, it comes up with the search using audio. So press escape to get out of most things or all things. What else? Let's go down to YouTube. And just press use it as you would something, and so if we want to pause it, pause button, and let's see if I can.
Disputed UFC featherweight championship fight between Jose Aldo and Max Holloway. Aldo, 30 years old.
Actually, I can put it down as well here. It's got the mute or volume buttons. Let's see if I can fast forward or okay, so you just go like that, it fast forwards, that's handy. And press play again. Okay, and the same thing with the back. Okay, what else? You can do the home button, and if you hold the home button down, you can close the application. So press down arrow, and it closes all the background applications, which is good. And of course we can go to a web browser and do a search by typing, which is good. So just yeah, it's always been the hard part, typing using the remote on this keyboard. Anyway, that's about it. Let's see if we can press the back button here. Okay, so it goes back. And that's about it, I guess. I mean, it'll come in handy. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like, and if you have any questions, just comment. Thank you, bye bye.